time of 13.0. Actually a faster time than your competitor, which was also a 13.0. But he got you with the reaction. So next time you know what you need to sharpen up on, Mr. Broad. Alright, so our winner for the 13-second class, Mr. Roger Leslie, also with a 13.0. Very close and competitive race, but you got him at the lights. And you got away with the win. Big cash prize and the bigger trophy, so you have the bragging rights. Congratulations to both racers, Mr. Leslie and Brown. Looking forward to settle this one. Seem as if you got a little bit nervous there in the finals, but yeah, not going on empty-handed. Congratulations. I know we'll see you back in March. Winner of the 14-second class, Mr. Nikolai Blue Hilton. Out here racing a black car. But you did well today. Very consistent with a time of 14.7. Congratulations on your win, sir. Mr. Michael Marsh, you are back here with us today. Last event you left us very upset, but you were determined to come back for a trophy and cash prize, but you came up a little bit short today with a time of 15.35 in the 15-second finals. However, you didn't leave today empty-handed, receiving your cash prize and trophy. Thank you for your participation. I look forward to having you on the 29th of March. Winner of the 15-second class, Mr. Shane Mundle. First racer, first time out here, Mr. Mundle. Man, congratulations, you did well. Keeping the edge over Mr. Marsh with a time of 15.24 in the finals of the 15-second class. Congrats.
A strong contender in the 15-second class. How was today for you?
Well, it come out pretty well, you know. Coming down this morning, we developed some little difficulty. However, we overcome it throughout the day. Come out well, give God thanks. Mark and look up yourself, said you see me? Ryan from Punish School. And you command to give me a little motivation. And so, Mike, you know, we have 15-second champion, man. Yeah, Fred fan. You see me? So,
yeah.
Could have worse.
Alright, in the finals though, you want to explain to me what happened in the finals?
I don't know what to tell you, sir. I just one of them things.
That's one of them things.
Always a picky start. A man plan for me. Big up yourself, you can overturn them.
Alright,
yeah,
so
win them all.
that's alright. Next meet, March 29th.
March 29th.
Big up.
Kenty, big up yourself.
These are our official results. Winner of the 16-second class. No, sorry. Let's start with the runner-up. Mr. Larry Pacman with a time of 15.9, breaking out in the 16-second finals with a time of 15.9. Well done, but you gave it a little bit too much when it wasn't needed. So runner-up today, receiving a trophy and a cash prize, Mr. Larry Patman. Congratulations. 16-second class with a breakout time of 15.90, Mr. Larry Patman. 16-second winner, Mr. Randine Brown, in that little overpowered car with a time of 16.21. Winner was out here running all day yesterday and trying to perfect it, and eventually he did. Mr. Randine Brown receiving his trophy and cash prize. Congratulations, Mr. Brown. Looking forward to seeing you at the next event on the 29th of March.
It's all about humanity. About humanity. It's all about humanity.